If you keep seeing the default browser prompt in Chrome on Windows, this video is going to show you a permanent system-level fix that can help stop Chrome from checking whether it is your default browser. This is especially useful if you already know which browser you want to use, and you're tired of seeing the same message over and over again every time you open Chrome. Before we get into the steps, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. All right, let's jump in. The method we're using today involves editing the Windows registry, so I want to be clear. Follow each step carefully and only change the exact setting mentioned in this video. First, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type regedit and press Enter. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to open the registry editor. Once the registry editor opens, look for the address bar at the top. In that bar, navigate to this exact path, hkey-locale.machine, /software, /policies, /Google, /Chrome. If you do not see the Google folder or the Chrome folder already there, that is completely fine. You can create them manually. To do that, right-click the folder above it, choose New, then Key, and name the new folder Google. Then right-click Google, choose New, then Key again, and name that one Chrome. Make sure the folder names are spelled correctly, because Windows policies are case-sensitive in the sense that the structure needs to be exact. Now that you are inside the Chrome policy folder, the next step is to create a new registry value. Right-click on the Chrome folder in the left panel, choose New, then click DW ORD 32-bit value. Name this new value DefaultBrowserSettingEnabled. After you create it, double-click the value to edit it. In the Value Data box, make sure it is set to 0. Setting it to 0 is what disables the default browser checking behavior under this policy. Once that is done, click OK to save the change. After that, you can close the registry editor. For the setting to fully take effect, restart your computer. When your PC turns back on and you open Chrome again, the browser should no longer keep pushing that default browser prompt the same way it did before. If you still see any message, give it a moment after restart, and make sure the registry path and value name were entered exactly as shown. That is the key part of this fix. And just as a reminder, because this is a registry change, be careful not to edit any other values unless you know exactly what they do. This method is one of the most effective ways to control the default browser prompt on Windows when the normal browser setting or flag is not enough. If this video saved you time, please consider subscribing for more useful Chrome and Windows tutorials, and don't forget to like the video so more people can find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.